Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use Ashley Look at Me CapCut Template. So without further ado, let's get into it. To start, open your CapCut app. And then from your home page, you can see at the bottom, Templates. Just tap on that. And then at the top, you can see the search bar. Just search for Ashley Look at Me CapCut Template. So now, here are the videos that use Ashley Look at Me CapCut Template. There's a lot of videos that you can choose from. Just tap on any of this. For example, I want to use this one. And then what I'm going to do is just to tap on that video and then tap on Use Template. Next, you have to select a video or photos that you want to use. After selecting videos or pictures, just tap on Next. And here it is. Just tap on Export to save your video. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.